Welcome back to day 3 of the AIA Columbus Awards Program. My name is Mike Valla, and I'm the 2020 president of AIA Columbus. Congratulations to yesterday's winners. Those were some fantastic projects. We have saved the best for last, 3 honor award winners. But before we begin, let's thank our sponsors for supporting AIA Columbus through these challenging times.
Thank you to our sponsors who have stood by AIA Columbus during these challenging times. They have been more than sponsors, they are true partners. Many are helping us provide online courses and other resources to help architects. Their support is critical. EDGE is an integrated team of planners, landscape architects, and development consultants. Thank you, Ted. Terracon, specializing in environmental facilities, geotechnical and materials consulting, and engineering services. Thank you to Don, Bob, Kelly, and Kevin. Thank you to Paul J. Ford & Company. They offer high-quality structural engineering services to clients in the Americas and abroad. Thank you, David. Many thanks to Pella, a window and door manufacturer. Thank you, Carol and Andy. Design Pro, serving the insurance and risk management needs of the architect. Thank you, Brad Bush. New this year, ARC Document Solutions. ARC is a full-service print and document management provider, helping organizations to seamlessly manage their information and documents. Thank you, Joyce. The architecture firm of BSHM. Thank you for supporting Mike Valla. Founded in 1964, KORDA is an internationally recognized engineering firm providing mechanical, electrical, structural, technology, civil engineering, and surveying and commissioning services. Thank you, Ed. Fikanoff Photography, an internationally recognized architectural, interior, and commercial photography studio. Now, a word from our sponsor. Honor Award for the large project category. University of Cincinnati, Health Sciences Building. Architect, Moody Nolan Inc. Client, University of Cincinnati. Inspiring learning, accelerating discovery, and promoting healing, the foundation for the new University of Cincinnati's Health Science Building combines high-performance construction and cutting-edge design to support the future of science, research, and transdisciplinary learning. A state-of-the-art center with a holistic approach to patient care that supports students' academic success is a key driver for an integrated, healthy medical campus. Integrating education with practice is essential. Interprofessional, problem-based learning demands unique spatial solutions and technological applications. The building's program has been distributed into 2 splayed bars, which form the central atrium space that serves as the hub for social and collaborative interaction. 3 generous monumental stairs are distributed in around the central atrium and encourage movement between the levels as part of teaching, physical therapy, rehabilitation, and reinforcing the notion of promoting healthy activity through design. These dynamic spaces foster collaboration among nurses, physicians, pharmacists, dentists, and allied health professionals, encouraging serendipitous encounters for the exchange of ideas that blur the boundaries between disciplines and roles. Cutting-edge design, natural daylighting, high-performance construction, exposed natural materials, and clear organization combine to provide the university with a LEED Gold facility that promotes education, healthy living, and an exciting new home for the College of Health Sciences.
The University of Cincinnati Health Sciences Building is superbly executed, from concept to realization. The jury noted that the building is holistic in its approach to campus placemaking, both in the creation of new open space and in the way it engages the interior atrium, learning spaces, and the overall mission of the building. The jury commended the design team for creating a welcoming and dynamic space and providing cues for inhabitation in a compelling way. The project team executed the interior and exterior detailing with the utmost craft.
Now, a word from our sponsor.
ARC uses their expertise in commercial real estate,
branding and graphic design to help clients stand out from the competition.
ARC designs immersive environments
that transform your building
to engage in spaces,
workspace branding and environmental graphics.
It excites customers and motivates employees.
Honor Award in the small project category. The Hut. Architect, Midland Architecture. Client, the Dutton family. The 600 square foot off-grid cabin is located on the client's family farm in the Ohio Valley. The cabin, tucked in the woods, was a labor of love for the family who worked together to build the secluded retreat. The off-grid retreat was inspired by Scandinavian design and the Hig mindset. The structure is sided with cedar shingles, and it sits amongst trees atop a high bank overlooking a lake. Designed for peace of mind, the outside setting is brought in through a wide expanse of floor-to-ceiling windows. Touching the earth lightly with a minimalistic foundation of concrete piers, the sustainably built space runs off solar power and collected rainwater. Heavily influenced by aspects of farming, the cabin was constructed using building techniques born out of tradition and logic, with simple materials used economically. The overall concept and design for the retreat demonstrate an emphasis on craft in a style that we like to call country minimalism. Additionally, the project is entirely self-sustaining. Electricity is provided by a solar array located approximately 100 yards from the site. A rainwater capture system is the water source, and septic is handled by a drain field system.
The jury deemed the Hut, a small, off-the-grid, self-sustaining cabin in the Ohio Valley, as being far more than the sum of its parts. The project was applauded for its simple elegance, intentional siting, and beautiful execution. It was further commended for its approach to energy and water systems, construction process, and total cost.
Now, a word from our sponsor. The Columbus, Ohio office of Terracon Consultants, Inc. is a multidisciplinary engineering firm with expertise in geotechnical construction inspection, materials testing and engineering, environmental, mining, geologic, and hydrogeologic engineering. Terracon's success as a responsive, resourceful, and reliable firm has led them to achieve a current ranking of 22 in Engineering News Records 2020 listing of the top 500 design firms. Honor Award in the category of Interior Architecture. Bath & Body Works Research and Development Center. Architect, WSA. Client, L Brands. Bath & Body Works is an international brand with a reputation for quality beauty and lifestyle products. Those who work within the research and development operation were spread out over nearly 100,000 square feet in 2 facilities. As international demand for products increased, there was growing demand to increase and diversify testing. This project co-locates all research and development functions within an existing international distribution warehouse and fuels quality assurance, synergistic research findings, and efficiency. The design extends the corporate Heartland brands to this remote location and fuels corporate culture through the design of 3 spatial typologies.
The Bath & Body Works Research and Development Center was elevated by the jury as a compelling example of adaptive reuse and interior architecture. The jury noted the strategic site program within the larger existing warehouse. It also cited the purposeful overlap between collaboration, meeting, office, and lab space as an effective way to transform the warehouse and to create workplace culture. The relatively small insertion of the workplace prioritizes connectivity, an attribute further enhanced by uncomplicated materiality.
Thank you for joining us for the 2020 Architecture Awards. All of the projects that were submitted were fantastic, and we hope you enjoyed seeing the winners. If you would like to get a book, you can contact the office and arrange to pick one up. Please stay safe and enjoy your holidays, and we'll see you in 2021.
And that concludes our 2020 AIA Columbus Architecture Awards. Congrats again to all of our winners.